Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to do French. What you need is base coat and a white polish. I put base coat on the edge of the nail and let it dry. And I'll leave a little bit white polish on the tip of the brush and just go across the edge of the nail from the side to the middle and from this side to the middle, and I'll let it dry and put on another coat. So I'm gonna put another coat. So I'm gonna grab this brush, oval brush, and I have nail polish right here a little bit. I'm gonna put a little liquid on the brush and just clean up the extra part. So that's how it looks now. And then I'm gonna grab the base coat and put it on the whole nail.